Hey guys, today I am going to be replacing my halogen light bulb on this 2012 Toyota Prius with Last Fit LED light bulb. Thanks to Last Fit for providing us this LED bulb. I've never used them before, but I've replaced the interior light and the exterior lights with them, and they work perfectly and they're bright. So I'm excited for this headlight replacement. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to open this right now. Alright, this is the box cover. Let's take a look inside. Alright, there's the instruction. And here are the LED light bulbs. Looks pretty great. It's not too big, not too small. Alright, let's install this. Alright, before we get started, let's take a look at the original halogen bulb. As you can see, it's a little yellow and orange. So once I install the LED, let's compare the two. Alright, let's start with the passenger side. If you've done this before, you can go ahead and skip ahead. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to remove the bulb on the passenger side. Alright, the passenger side is the one with a lot of room. If you don't have enough room, you can remove two 10mm bolt right here, lift the engine coolant reservoir out of the way, and you have plenty of room down here. Alright, so I'm going to start removing the two 10mm bolts. Now you have plenty of room to access your passenger headlight bulb. Alright, here is the low beam bulb once you remove the coolant reservoir. Now to remove this, I'm going to disconnect the connector first by pressing on the tab and pulling down. Once that's out of the way, you turn left to loosen the bulb. And here you go. Now I'm going to insert my LED bulb. After tightening it to the right to tighten, connect my connector. Snap it in place. Now install your reservoir and we'll go on to the driver's side. Put back the reservoir. Make sure when you put it back together, there is a rubber grommet right here that the reservoir sits on. So make sure to put it in place. Yep, it's in place. Turn the bolt down. Alright, so now I'm on the driver's side and I know that the OCC, the oil catch can, is in the way, so I'm going to have to remove it and make room so that my hand can reach in the back of the driver's side headlight bulb so that I can remove it. Alright, just remove the oil catch can. If your car doesn't have an oil catch can, you don't have to worry about this step. So now I am going to start removing the driver's side headlight bulb. Alright, here is the driver's side headlight bulb. There's a connector as well and the LED bulb. It's hard to see in here, so I'm just going to do it. So you press on the tab, press down, remove. Now you twist to the left to remove the bulb. There you go. Alright, now I'm going to install this LED light bulb back into the driver's side housing. But before I do that, I want to let you know that this connector only fits one way. So when you connect it and it snaps in, and you turn on the headlight and it doesn't work, that's mean you just have to remove it and reinsert it and reverse the polarity because it only goes one way. Alright, reinstall is the reverse order. Alright, I'm going to connect the connector. Seems like it's in place, but I'm going to turn on the headlight, make sure it works. If not, then I'm going to have to turn it around. So I reinstalled the oil catch can. So now let's compare the two headlight bulbs. So now let's turn on the headlight. Alright, the headlight's on. Alright, now let's compare it to at night. Alright, this is before the LED. Here's after. This is before the LED. Here is after. This is before the LED. Here is after. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. Make sure to like and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Also, we have a fan page on Facebook. Make sure to go check it out and like it as well. Also, we have a website called Nuts About Bolts. Make sure to check that out as well. And until next time, see you guys later.